For those who are operating boilers, remember that these two small actions can prevent significant risks. Hello everyone. I am very pleased to share with you today a topic that I hope will be helpful for many of those currently using boilers. Today's topic is 2 simple steps for operating a boiler safely. As you already know, a boiler is a critical piece of equipment in industries such as food processing, chemicals, textiles, beer, alcohol, milk, cooking oil, pharmaceuticals, packaging, and more. The boiler is the heart of a factory. If the boiler stops, the entire factory will stop production. Additionally, the boiler is a pressurized device operating at high pressure and carries the risk of explosion if not properly understood and operated correctly. Therefore, ensuring the safe inspection and operation of a boiler is extremely necessary and of utmost importance. Now, let's dive into 2 simple steps for operating a boiler safely. Step 1. You must inspect the safety valve before each work shift. Every boiler has at least 2 safety valves. The safety valve is designed to release steam when the pressure inside the boiler rises too high, protecting the boiler from overpressurization, which could lead to an explosion. To check the safety valve, you need to follow these steps. When the boiler pressure reaches about 80% of the safety valve's set pressure, you can proceed to test the valve's operation. Next, lightly pull the handles of the 2 safety valves on the boiler. If steam is released, and when you release the handle, the steam stops. This indicates that the safety valve is functioning correctly. This inspection should be performed before each work shift to ensure that the 2 safety valves are working properly. When the safety valves are working well, there is no risk of overpressurization of the boiler. Step 2. Check the operation of the water level control system in the boiler. For those who have watched the videos on DIVI's channel, you already know that water shortage in the boiler is one of the leading causes of boiler explosions. This has been the cause of recent incidents such as the boiler explosion in Fuzhou, which killed 4 people in 2022, the boiler explosion in Dongnai, which resulted in 6 deaths in 2024, and the most recent boiler explosion in Binfuk, which killed 2 people in 2024, among many other unfortunate incidents. Therefore, a well-functioning water level alarm system will ensure the elimination of safety risks due to water shortage in the boiler. Here is an image of the water level control system in the boiler. And there are 2 ways to control the water level in the boiler. By using the water gauge glass. By using the water level probe column system. In this system, water level probes or a float switch are installed. To check this system, the operator must follow these steps. Step 1. Close the blowdown valve of the water gauge glass to observe the water level in the glass. If, during the process of opening and closing the blowdown valve, the water level rises and falls accordingly, it means the water gauge glass is functioning correctly. The water level should be between the 2 marked lines to ensure safe operation. Step 2. Open and close the blowdown valve of the water level probe column. If the water shortage alarm light and buzzer in the control cabinet activate and the pump turns on to refill the boiler after the blowdown valve is closed, and the alarm stops and the pump shuts off afterward, it indicates the water level control system is working properly. If everything goes smoothly during the inspection, it shows that the water level control system is functioning well, ensuring the safety of the boiler. DIVI has summarized these 2 simple steps with the hope that they will contribute in some small way to reducing unfortunate boiler explosion incidents, allowing everyone to operate boilers with peace of mind in the most efficient way. For those who are operating boilers, remember that these 2 small actions can prevent significant risks. In the comments section of this video, you will find a link to download related boiler operation documents. If anyone needs them, feel free to register, and we will send the documents to you. I hope that our modest knowledge will bring some benefit to everyone. And hopefully, we will never again see news articles about boiler explosions. Wishing you all good health. And thank you.